Hello. So today is 10th of January 2026 and it is the 10th day of my this series of 365 days where I'm painting my colors red and green. Red if it was not productive, green if it was productive. Earlier I was working on my mental health. So it was like if I felt good then it is a green day, if I didn't then it is a red day. But I changed it because I thought ki improving something will be better. So I that's why I'm counting on the parameter of productive day or the on the productive things. Okay, so today at the very start I would say there were a lot of things, so I just had a clash with my mother also in the very morning, very morning. Like I just woke up and she was poking me, like there were things, so it affected me a lot. Then even the best part was that I slept early on the 9th of January, and that's why I was up around I think 7 to 7:30 without any alarm in the morning. And then I heard something in my ears while I was on my bed. So it's okay. I think I should not talk about it, but it was affecting my mental health. So I will count this day as red day, by the way. The other thing I will say that what I did as in productive thing, yes, I clean my room totally. I just clean my room, everything from bed sheet to pillow covers to my blanket, also to my table, my laptop, my phone, and everything. I put it everything in the place where it should be, like the sanitizer, the mouthwash, the coffee, and everything in place. The moisturizer also, the my biscuits and cookies also, and everything. Like I just clean everything. Only some clothes are left, like the bedsheet that I have changed, and some clothes of mine which are not washed, which is there in the dirty things are there in my room. But at least my I would say that 95% of my room is clean right now. So I'm happy that I did this. I will count it as a productive day also somewhere, but as it was affecting me somewhere, so I don't know. I will paint it as half red and half green, I will say, because it was a productive day also and it was affecting me also in both ways. And I didn't had any proper lunch or breakfast till now. So let's see what I will have in dinner, because I'm recording this in the evening, so I don't know about the dinner time. And it will be a family time also, so I don't know if there will be things again, the clashes again. Maybe it can happen, I don't know. But I will be here in my room, I will not say anything. And I think I should stop saying anything. If someone is poking me, someone is saying something about me, I should keep myself quiet. I think that is the best option. But I don't know why, I just want to clear out things. I'm just saying that just give me some time at least. And that's like I'm asking this time from the last year also. So maybe that's why they are also like na ki that she's not doing anything. It's all like just give me time, give me time, give me time, and she's not doing something which is visible in the future also. Like I'm just recording the video, but I am not getting any views or comments or anything like that, which can I like where I can say that okay, I'm getting comments, subscribers, and likes. So this is also a problem. And I am having a job. Even my HR said that till Monday, if you are not accepting it, I am terminating your application, because I joined the company on 25th of December 2025. But I didn't started working because I said that I'm having a surgery in my lower wisdom tooth, like in the area. And then I said that okay, I will join after 1 to 2 week in the January, maybe in the starting of the January. But I didn't. I don't know why, but I'm having this feeling that I don't want to work in any company or any MNC. I just want to be me, the way I am. Whether you say that I'm unemployed, then it is okay to me. I'm happy with it. I just want some money, and which I'm expecting from YouTube. So this is what I'm doing. That's why I asked my family to just give me some time. Even I'm in my last semester. My last 6 months are left. So I think I have only last 6 months. I don't know where I will go, what I will do. I have nothing in my mind. I'm just hoping that from YouTube at least I can get something. So this is only what I'm having in my mind right now. My one channel is having 1,000, more than 1,000 subscriber, and the other one is having good watch hours. So one is lacking the watch hours, one is lacking the subscriber, and this is nothing. This channel is nowhere. It's like zero watch hours and zero views, 32 subscribers only I'm having on this channel. So let's see what the future holds. I'm having only now the 6 months till June and July. Otherwise I'm gone. It's literally like I'm at the edge of everything I'm saying. So I don't know, I have a lot of things in my mind which is affecting me somewhere. And then the clashes with the family also, the way I speak also, which is not good, because I have a lot of things in my mind. Whenever someone says something to me, the mean things I'm saying, then it is like that at least I'm doing something which, like, I'm not doing, if I'm not, oh, let's not talk about this, you know. I will write it in my diary and I will read it out someday when I will feel okay. So the thing is that I only want some time, that's it. Even I'm not wasting your money in somewhere, I'm wearing the same clothes, I'm not buying anything, I'm not doing any makeup thing, any haircut, any eyebrow, nothing I'm doing. I'm just like a normal person who is not spending even a single money. I don't know where. Even the electricity bill also, they say that कि इस बार तो bill ऐसा आया, इतना आया. Like I'm the only person who is using the tube light and the fan and everything. I don't know. So it's kind of a burden on me, and I want to just remove it from me. Like sometimes I feel very heavy. Even like I'm sitting here right now, I'm not feeling that much heavy. It's like I want to cry, that's why I'm feeling heavy. But sometimes it's like something is choking me, something is in me where I'm not able to breathe even properly. So I just sit like this and take deep breaths also, then also it is not like very comfortable for me. So things happens here, I'm also trying my best. I also want to do something. It's not like that I am not having anything in my mind. So okay, I should not speak much. So this is all. So today, the 10th of January 2026, I'm painting my day half red and half green, and that's it. Today is the 10th day. Let's see what tomorrow holds. I'm taking one day at a time, and that's it for today. Bye.